I'm Mike Greaves, Sales Office Manager for Franklin Hodge. Franklin Hodge produce water tanks, predominantly for the fire sprinkler industry, drinking water tanks. We also produce grain silos, glass-coated storage tanks for drinking water and for waste effluent tanks. Historically, the tanks were normally just inspected from the outside. Over the years, people wanted them to be inspected internally. An internal inspection of the tank would mean that the person actually entering the tank would have to climb down inside. They could be overcome by noxious gases. We'd have to introduce an escape method for them. So putting a camera inside the tank means that you're not putting your personnel at risk. So we've been working with Chasing for the last 5 years. We use their ROV. We find it very manoeuvrable inside the tank. We find it light enough to be able to lift up on the outside with a rope. We've been extremely pleased with using the Chasing ROV. We found a local distributor for the UK in Alpha Geo. We can inspect the high-level fittings on the tank, whereas we couldn't do that before when we were just entering the tank because we wouldn't be able to get up to the top to see them. We're not putting anyone's life in danger by entering the tank.